Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on chess.com application using your mobile device. You can easily update your profile picture on chess.com app, so here is how you do it. Open up the Chess app on your mobile device. Now, from the home page after logging into your account, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Click on the Profile button on the next page, and then click the three dots at the top right corner on the next page. You will then see several options such as Edit Profile or Share Profile. Tap on Edit Profile and then click on your profile picture. Now, you can either choose a photo from your mobile device's camera roll or take a photo from your device's camera right away. To take a photo, tap the Take Photo option and click a picture of yours to upload it on your profile. To choose an existing photo from your gallery, tap Choose Photo. Now, select one of the profile picture you'd like to use for your profile on Chess. After choosing the photo, adjust it and then tap on Choose at the bottom right. Soon after it's done, you will be able to see your profile picture uploaded. Now click on the tick mark at the top right, and that's how you easily change your profile picture or add a profile picture on chess.com app. Now your chess.com profile has a fresh look and your friends can see your updated picture. That is how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more videos. I will be back again with the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.